with a heart full of gratitude and reverence, our divine Creator, Heavenly Father. My heartfelt greetings to our Barangay Captain, Honorable Elna Y. Gabilan, to our District Supervisor, Mr. Alison M. Junio, Sir, his Sumkong Manager, Mr. Emmanuel Q. Kadungog, Sir, to our Central Principal, Mrs. Flora C. Taneo, Ma'am, School Administrators of Kananga 3 District, our keynote speaker, Sir, teachers, parents, fellow graduates, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, magandang umaga, mayong buntag sa tanan. Una sa lahat, nais ko pong humingi ng paumanhin sapagkat ang wikang aking gagamitin ay English, Tagalog at Bisaya. In short, saksak sinagol. Bilang anak ng isang guro na pala desisyon, magbuot, pa-pressure sa ta. In fact, when she found out nga pure English akong gihimo nga speech, dili siya musugot kay gi-google ra daw nako. Why believe? Anyway, let me commence this with great appreciation and enthusiasm as I share with you my humble gratitude to be presenting myself in front of the crowd, such as this, and being given the honor to speak in this momentous event is not easy for me. Kulba biya. But a dream for me with pride and recognition. Of all, sa kadaghan akong classmates and schoolmates ako pa. Now, the question is, how do I wrap up a 12-year-old story of me, inspired by this Bible verse? Luke chapter 1, verse 37, and it says, nothing is impossible with God. In connection with this verse, do your best and God will do the rest. Indeed, dili na ako makabot ni kung wala ko maningkamot, kung nagbinuang ra ko sa akong pag-eskwela, kung wala ko mangandoy. Pangandoy inubanan sa buhat o pagampo, nga bisan pa man sa tanan struggles, kalisod sa kinabuhi, nakaya ra nako ang tanan tungod kay naay Ginoo ug salig ko nga dili ko niya pasagdan. Siguro makaingon mo, I am privileged because I have a teacher mom. Tungod kay anak ko og maestra, akong mama maestra. No, naningkamot sab ko isip usa ka estudyante sa walay pabor-pabor. Of course, thankful ko sa akong ginikanan sa gihatag nga suporta nako. Credits to my parents. Special mention akong Papa Entoy ug Mama Joy nga naara diha naminaw ug nagbantay ra. Basin ko masayop og storya. Mga saba arbedayon. Bitaw, dili sad nako makabot ni kung dili tungod nila. Labi na kong mama usahay masubraan ka supportive. Nagtuong og sayon og nindot kaayo mainahan og maestra. Dili oy, ma-pressure ta atong mama sigilag kasuko. Kidding aside, thank you Mama and Papa for everything. Na-appreciate na ko tanan inyo efforts. Lahat ng ito ay para sa inyo, para sa atin. Maong mga ginikanan nga naa dire, gi-challenge ta mo. Suportai inyong mga anak kay kamo ang among inspirasyon. Of course, sa akong mga teachers from nursery to grade 6 who mold me, who shape me to become the best. Thank you sa tanan learnings mga ma'am and sir. Dili na ako makalimtan tanan experiences, labi na apil-apil sa mga contest. Thank you to be a good mentor, a best coach. My family here in Montebello Central School, MCS family. Magmula sa pagmamahal ng lahat ng guro at suporta sa aming punong guro, Ma'am Flora C. Taneo. Mayroong estudyante na habang buhay isa sa puso, lahat ng gabay at patnubay na kaya ninyong ibigay. At syempre, to all my classmates, schoolmates, I'm very thankful that I was able to spend the school year with you guys. You all have earned a special place in my heart. It hurts to say goodbye, but I'm sure this goodbye is just a see you around. I will miss you guys. We may have struggled in class a lot, but we still managed to get through all of our hardships and setbacks. Salamat sa kalipay ug kasakit. Dili ta mo makalimtan. Above all, as an individual, I stand not only as a pupil who finished with flying colors, but as a humble individual who proves all of you that you are worthy to being recognized. Kung kaya nako, kaya natong tanan. And so, my fellow graduates, I leave you with one last message. Success is not measured by awards or recognition, but by the kindness and goodness we show to others. Hindi lang talino ang mahalaga, kundi pati rin ang pagiging mabuti at maayos na tao. Ako, si Merkisha S. Misagal, Tatak MCS. Batch 2023-2024, binabati ko kayong lahat, mabuhay!